we create the conditions for young people to really find their voice and their leadership and their power, amazing things happen, right? I think first you would see the change in that young person, hearing from them firsthand often that they didn't realize what they were capable of, or they didn't see themselves as a leader before. And then those young people go on to build other leaders. That's a core tenet of organizing. It's not just about your individual success in learning leadership skills. It's about your success as a leader is actually bringing in and building up other leaders behind you. I think I don't like to stop there and just talk about the direct impact with youth, because sometimes we limit it to, oh, I'm glad we gave these young people an opportunity to build their leadership skills. It's so much more than that, right? Bringing young people into decisions is transformative, and especially when we're talking about which young people, we're talking about the most impacted young people who have dealt with oppression, dealt with hardships. Our decisions are going to be so much more equitable, so much more just. Yeah, decisions get better when we bring the most impacted young people to the table. And so schools get better, our society gets better. Everyone can thrive when folks most marginalized are able to thrive. And then lastly, you see this over time, this different kind of community that you're building. Over 25 years in CFJ, just in the East Side, I've seen so many of our young people play huge roles in our community, helping to get one of our first city council members, a young Latino leader elected. Some of our CFJ past youth leaders played a huge role in that. Having young people from CFJ leave and lead immigration rights work. Those are ripple effects that maybe started as an LCAP student voice committee, but then have had huge ripple effects to the entire city, county, state. I think that's the kind of multiple effects, triple bottom line results of investing in youth organizing.